Tired of manually entering every expense into Expensify? Feeling overwhelmed by receipts piling up on your desk? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to show you how to effortlessly upload those pesky PDFs directly into the Expensify app. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open up the Expensify app on your phone. You'll likely find it on your home screen or within your app drawer. Once open, you'll see a variety of options, but we're focused on uploading receipts, so tap the plus button. This will bring you to the Add Expense screen. Now, you have a few ways to upload your PDFs. The easiest is usually by snapping a photo. Simply tap Take Photo and point your camera at the receipt. Expensify's AI will automatically capture the relevant information like date, vendor, and amount. Pretty neat, right? But what if you already have a PDF of the receipt? No problem. Tap Choose from Library. This will open your phone's photo gallery. Locate the PDF you want to upload and select it. Expensify will then process the PDF and extract the key details. Once the PDF is uploaded, Expensify will display the extracted information. Double-check everything for accuracy. If anything is incorrect, you can easily edit it. For example, you might need to adjust the date or add a missing tip. Next, you'll want to categorize the expense. Is it for travel? Meals? Entertainment? Simply select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu. You can also add a note or tag to further organize your expenses. Finally, tap Save to add the expense to your report. If you're ready to submit, you can either submit immediately or save it for later. Easy peasy, right? Now, you might be wondering, what if I have multiple PDFs to upload? Good question. Expensify allows you to upload multiple receipts at once. Simply repeat the process for each PDF. You can even upload receipts in batches for even greater efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your PDFs to Expensify. No more manual entry, no more lost receipts, just smooth and efficient expense tracking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.